I'm sure you've heard the buzz. Latte art is the next big thing for coffee lovers. Let's dive in and create some magic in your cup. First, grab your essentials: espresso machine, milk frother, pitcher, fresh beans, and whole milk. Got everything? Great! Now grind those beans and pull a perfect shot of espresso. You're aiming for a 25-30 second extraction. Next, let's froth that milk. Fill your pitcher 1/3 full with cold milk, then froth it up. Aim for a velvety microfoam by keeping the steam wand just below the surface and lowering the pitcher as the milk expands. Ready for the fun part? Swirl the milk to get rid of big bubbles, then pour slowly from up high. Once halfway, lower the pitcher and pour faster to create your design. For a heart, move the pitcher back and forth, then lift to finish with a point. And voila! A heart-shaped latte art masterpiece. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you enjoyed this, hit like, comment, and subscribe for more coffee fun. All the tools are linked below. Happy frothing, coffee lovers!